Good morning, guys. If you're new here, my name is Candy. I'm a mom to 5. On my channel, I share a lot of homeschooling, homesteading, gardening, day in the life, what's for dinner, grocery hauls, and just all kinds of fun stuff. So if you have not already subscribed, I'd love if you would subscribe. Stick around and check out some more videos after this one. We are starting our morning with 2 big pans of sheet pan pancakes. If you've never made these, they're wonderful. They save so much time versus standing and cooking a whole lot of pancakes for a whole lot of kids. So basically you just grease your sheet pans, make up your pancake batter, put it in your sheet pans, and then if you want to add your blueberries, chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, what have you, you add those, bake it at about 350 for about 15 minutes or until they're done, and then you just cut it up in squares and serve it.
No, Bubba, don't. It's Medusa.
Poor Barbie.
Medusa is a lady in Greek and stuff that has snake hair that if you look her in the eye, you turn to stone.
Yep. Okay, lunch today is called Clean Out the Fridge Day. So we have Little Smokies, nacho stuff, mashed potatoes and gravy, fries, hot dogs, burgers, I don't even know, wings, mashed potatoes, pizza, veggie tray, you name it. I don't even know what the temp is right now. I think it was 17 this morning with a negative wind chill, but it is cold. Just came out to walk around a minute, get some air, very cold air, and check the mail. And then I'm going to go inside and get... No mail. Okay. Get some turkey and dumplings going. Okay, I put half a stick of butter in my Kasori slow cooker on the saute setting with some celery, onions, carrots, and potatoes. I'm going to cook this for a little bit. Add some turkey broth that I made a few months back to this from the freezer and let it thaw/cook because it's still kind of frozen. I'm also adding 2 big chunks of pre-cooked turkey that I had deboned a while back and froze. And I'm going to put 2 bay leaves, some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sage in here. And then just change my setting to high and let this cook all afternoon. And we'll do the dumplings at the end. And more veggies. James and I ran to town before it gets much worse to pick up some prescriptions and some bottled water, and we came across several wrecks like this one right here along our way. It was getting very dangerous out, so I'm glad we got there and got home safely, and we did not leave the house again for almost a week. But now we're home. I added a bag of frozen corn and a bag of frozen peas to this. I'm just going to stir it up, let it simmer for a while, still on high, while I work on my drop biscuit dough that I'm going to use for my dumplings. So I'm going to make this up, and then what I do is drop it in by big tablespoons full, let it cook for about 5 minutes uncovered, and then cover it up for 5 to 8 more minutes until they are nice and fluffy, and then we just go ahead and eat. So this is the kids' bowls. I'm going to show you how our dumplings turned out. We love big fluffy dumplings in our turkey or chicken and dumplings. It is so ridiculously cold. So cold. Just gave all the rabbits and chickens some more hay, and make sure they like fresh water and food. And now I'm going to get inside before I freeze.
Next one, Meek.
Ooh.
Wow. Where am I? Oh, yeah. Get the next one. 2, 3, 4.
Oh, everybody go back.
What?
Wait, Mika, where's...
Thank you guys so much for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.